Hello, students. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today is our first lecture from your subject science, and in today's lecture, I will just introduce you with your syllabus. Okay, आप सबको जैसे पता ही है that in your syllabus you have 16 chapters on total. Out of those, all the chapters are further divided into the subjects of science like chemistry, biology, physics, and environmental studies. So, you must know that in which subject what you have to study and what will be our primary motto. Okay, so first five chapters are from the subject chemistry. First chapter is chemical reaction and equation. Second one is acid, base and salt. Third one is metal and non-metals. Fourth one is carbon and its compounds. And fifth one is periodic classification of elements. Okay, as you know, for chemistry, our primary motto to understand chemistry is to memorize the element. So for today, your work is to memorize first 20 elements found on the periodic table. Starting from hydrogen up to calcium. You have to memorize the elements in sequence starting from first up to 20. When you know the elements, then it becomes easy for you to do all these chapters. In all these chapters, you must be capable of balancing the chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are based on balancing the charge first. That I taught you in your 9th class syllabus. Then acid, base and salt also based on that properties. Then if you know the elements, then you can classify which is metal and which is non-metal and which are metalloids. Then the organic chemistry, carbon and its compound. And last chapter is the periodic classification, in which we study how it is necessary and why it was necessary to classify elements based on various periodic tables. Next four chapters are from biology. First one is life process, in which we study various life processes which are necessary for our survival, from digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion, and the transport of materials. In second chapter, control and coordination, we will study that how the body activities of plants and animals are coordinated. Means how our brain work parallel to our body action. Then is how do organism reproduce? Means how new organism are produced from the parent organism. Means this chapter deal with the process of reproduction. Next chapter is about heredity and evolution. Means how you resemble with your parent and how the characters move from one generation to another and how we evolve. Means new organism evolution occur with which kind of processes and which kind of processes are responsible for forming new species. Next four chapters or five chapters are from physics. First chapter is light, that is reflection and refraction, means how we are able to see the objects. Second one is about the human eye and the structure and disorders of the eye, and the colorful world, means how we are able to see the colors. Next chapter is about the electricity, and next one is about the magnetic effect of the current, means how the current generate the magnetic properties and how those magnetic properties are beneficial for generation or passage of current inside our body. Next chapter is sources of energy, means how different kind of energies are produced in the environment, whether executive or exhaustible sources of energy or non-exhaustible. And last two chapters are from the environmental studies, that is our environment and management of natural resources. These two chapters are very important because in these chapters you get an idea about the necessary or essential natural resources found on the earth, how our environment is depleting day by day, and why it is necessary to conserve our environment, our biodiversity and our environment, and how these wastes produced in the life of organism or the rural life or the urban life They are changing our life, and the production of these waste is responsible for changing lifespan of the evoluting human being. So this is all for your syllabus. Out of these 16 chapters, not all the chapters are part of your syllabus. Due to COVID-19, some of the chapters are reducted from your syllabus. Then we will first discuss only those chapters which are important from your board point of view. Then we will discuss other later. Thank you. We will start our syllabus from tomorrow. Thank you.